up, YouTube? It's Paul from Black Bed SRT. Gonna go meet Daryl. I finally got his name right. He just got the Outlaws mufflers installed on his Scat. It's that 2017. I made a video where he ran, so I'm gonna go check it out. We're gonna meet up and see where the day goes. Fancy meeting you here, sir. What's going on? What's your Instagram?
Daryl Seruna. That's my Instagram.
There you go.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Oh yeah. My eardrum out. It was
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Come on up, sir. Come on up. Yeah, man, looks awesome. Go for it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey, can I join the crew or what?
Yeah, man, jump in.
Alright, say less.
We'll wait up here.
Dark hair bitch, she look like.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Fun day. Thanks again, Daryl. Good time. Got some good footage. Got some beautiful cars out today. Hope everybody had a safe and happy Memorial Day. Thank you to all the individuals who have served. Appreciate what you do for us and providing us with the freedoms that we have. And much love and prayers to those that are in need. Hang loose. Later. Sure.
Can I get in your car?
Can you get in it? That's gonna be tough on the bike. Yeah.